good afternoon, good evening. Whatever part in the world you are, welcome to Cook and Inspire Kitchen, with Chef Garnet. I'm telling you, man, I'm very thankful and grateful for every single one of you who have been supporting my channel. I appreciate you a lot. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like the content that I'm putting out, so just keep on supporting, because without your support, we will be one place, not going nowhere. So our loyal supporters, them who have been watching the video and been commenting, thumbs up to you guys, because with your help, we will do this together. Okay? Today, what I'll be doing in the kitchen is our stew chicken. You got different chicken. You got brown stew chicken, which is the fricassee style chicken. But today, I'm just gonna do stew chicken, which is brown stew chicken still. But I'm gonna show you how that's been done. And the way we cut our chicken to do our stew chicken is slightly different from when we're doing our fricassee style chicken. As you can see, if you come close and have a look, as you can see this, we have to cut them in small pieces to do that style of chicken. So, it's a type of stew chicken that you get in the restaurant, in the Caribbean restaurant when you go there. They won't have time to fry it down and to brown it off and to cook it down. So everything goes in the pot at one time. So it's very easy and simple. And if you follow me step by step, stage by stage, then you can't go wrong on this one. And it's gonna be lovely as well. So don't forget, it's stew chicken, Chef Garnet style. Okay? What me say? Chef Garnet style. Yeah, man. And for those of you, I'm talking to you who are watching the video and not subscribers yet, please don't pass and don't forget to hit that red icon that says subscribe. Turn that gray for me and turn on the post notification bell. So every time I've dropped new video, then you'll be notified. Too much talking now, man. Let's get down to business. So first, I'm gonna perform surgery. So I've put on my gloves. So I've put on my gloves on one hand because I need this hand to be clean to handle my bottle. Alright, so come over here, so now close to me, people, and let me show you what's going on. So I've got one chicken. I have already washed it in lemon juice and vinegar, and what we're going to do now, I've got one chopped onion here. So and we got around 4 sprigs of scallion. We've got a few pieces of thyme. We've got some ginger and garlic that we have chopped. We got around 4 cloves of garlic and just a little piece of ginger just to flavor it up. That real Jamaican flavor. I'm gonna season it with some bell peppers. I got 4 different colors here. Right, so I'm gonna go in with my hand and rub this up. Let me rub this in and I'll come back and I'll show you when I'll be putting in my powdered season in this chicken to marinate. So here we are again. We're back. As you can see, look how colorful that looks already. Nice and lovely. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with some, I've got my measuring spoon there, but I'm not gonna use it right now because I said I've cooked almost every day, so I know how much to put. So I'm going with some Cajun season. We're going with some allspice season. Sometimes you're watching the video and you see me pouring the season. It may look like I'm pouring a lot of seasoning, but it's not a lot. So all-purpose seasoning. And I'll be going with some cayenne pepper, some paprika, and I'll be going with some mixed herbs, and I'll go in with some crushed pimento berry, some scotch bonnet pepper. And what I'm doing in here now, I've got some ginger sauce. And I'll be going with some browning. I've got my wife in the kitchen today. she tried to escape coming in the kitchen, but I've got you. So come this way, please. So just going with let's put half a tablespoon of soya sauce. Yeah, and if you bring me some of that Worcestershire sauce as well, because you want this nice flavor in this meat. So just a little bit, half a tablespoon. Let's pour it over it. Yeah, and I need some of that ketchup. I'm gonna use some ketchup. Pour some in there for me, please. I'm gonna go in with some sweet chili sauce. You know, don't forget now, this is Chef Garnet's way. Look at that already. Come on, get it in there, babes. Get it in there. Right over it. Right, so I'm just gonna go in with a bit more browning. Just need it a bit more to be a bit more dark. Right, so here we are. Look at that. You know, you can leave this overnight. If you know you're gonna cook it like tomorrow, you can season it up from today, or you can season it up, leave it for a couple of hours, and all these nice flavor will come together. Look at that. So we're going in with some olive oil. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in a piece of garlic in there. Let's bring that up for a little while. Right, so here we are. I think that's hot. And we're gonna keep this on medium heat. You don't wanna rush the process. Yeah? And we're not gonna add any water unless it's necessary, because the chicken is gonna provide its own juice. So the chicken is gonna cook down in its own juice. Yeah, so that's why we're gonna keep it on medium flame. Okay, guys. So let me pour this in. I said the chicken is only a small pieces. So if you got one leg, you can cut one leg in two pieces, and that will do it. So yeah. Right, I think I'll put this on the high flame for now, and then bring it back down to low just to get the process going. Okay. So yeah, there it is. Halfway through, I'll come back and show you when I'll be putting in my pineapple and my rest of vegetable. Yeah man, so chicken me a cooking in my kitchen. Stew chicken in my kitchen. Oh yeah. Okay, now, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go in with the remaining of our vegetable, which we got our potato. That's going to give the body of the gravy, and some carrots, and I've got some bell pepper chopped up in there. So I'll go in with all of that. And here we are, we're going to go in with our pineapple slices and some of the pineapple juice in there. People, I'm telling you, man. And here we have some tomatoes. One tomato I've chopped. Okay. Alright, let me just taste this and see what's going on, what's popping with this one now. Like to taste it. This is the way I taste it, yeah? I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. Look at that. That's a gravy. It's not thickened the way we want it yet, but it will get there. About another 20 minutes and we should be there. Next time I open this pot, it's done and dusted. Okay?
20 minutes later.
People, welcome back. As I promised you, I'm going to deliver some stew chicken for you guys. And look at it, it's here. The boat is land. Yeah man, so here we have it now. Our stew chicken. Yeah man, it's already dished up and look how beautiful that look. You know, and I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely delicious. And here we have a separate plate. I've plated up some rice, vegetable rice. You can serve this with white rice also. You can have it with hard food, which is dumpling yam. And you can have it with white rice. Anything you want to have it with, you can have it with it. So here we have it. Look how beautiful that is. Chef Garnet style. Stew chicken, vegetable rice. Look how lovely that is. You know, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know, because you know we'll be putting out contents twice a week. So look forward for them, guys. Put on your notification bell because whenever we drop content, you don't want to be left out because you'll be missing all the good stuff. Okay? And leave a comment on my video. Tell me what you want me to cook, and I'll go ahead and do that. Yeah? And I want to hear your honest opinion. If you cook good, tell me say I cook good. If it don't please you, tell me say it don't please you. Yeah man. You don't hear the negative and the positive side of everything. Yeah? But if it's all positive, well thank you very much. Yeah man, so until next time, Chef Garnet in and out the kitchen. Yeah man. The boat land, as I say. It can't be good, be careful. Don't drink and drive. Yeah man. Gentlemen, don't abuse the ladies them. Yeah? Domestic abuse we don't tolerate around here. Show some love to your neighbor.